Hey guys, so welcome back. So right now we're at Mile Reservoir. It's my first time hitting Mile Reservoir this season, and we're at Stroll Mountain, and it's pretty packed right now. I got here a little bit later than I'd like to, but it's still 7:30 in the morning, and it is December 15th, and look how packed it is. I had nowhere to park, so I just parked right here in the middle, so plenty of cars can get in and out, and plenty of space. No one's going to trail over here, so I think I'm pretty good, pretty safe. Let's get the stuff unloaded and let's go ice fishing. So if you guys can see that, I built that Smitty sled, and I'll do a little quick rundown how I did that. But this is 10 times easier on the ice now. It's just gliding on the ice. Alright, so I made it to my spot. Well, a spot, it's not exactly the spot I have, but that I plotted in the summertime. But this place is pretty packed right now. So let's take a look at the surroundings. Bam. I don't like fishing too close to people. Everybody's out here to catch fish and have a good time. So I like to keep my distance. But I would say there's probably on this end of the lake, the reservoir right now, there's probably 100 to 150 ice fishermen out right now. So let's get set up, guys. Drop some lines. I have my jig head right there, and then all I'm doing is I'm using it like a minnow. I went right through the back, and what I want to do, I want the presentation to be like that, just like that on the ice, so it's parallel with the ice. All right, let's finish setting up. Everybody out here probably wants to know why I do this, but there's a secret behind this. Alright, so I'm jigging right now. And what I like to do is I like to stand up and jig. It has a different motion than what you see people just doing this. Right? They just do this. They do a lot of that. What I'm doing is I'm jigging not too aggressive but not too light, and I'm already getting bites, and I just dropped it, and I've only been jigging for like 20 minutes, less than 20 minutes. Alright guys, let's do an update. So it is almost 3 o'clock right now. I only had a few bites in the morning, and there was nothing else. So right now I'm just dead sticking. I got one over there. This one has a power bait and worm on it. Changed out the bait, just that's fresh. And that one way over here has suckers. and I was fishing on a whole different area by Strobe Mountain, and I came closer to the marina area to do some fishing over here because it was just nothing. There was no action. So I tried my luck the rest of the day here, and it is 2 o'clock right now, 2 o'clock-ish, and I'm pretty hungry. Yes, it's 2 o'clock-ish. No, it's almost 3 o'clock. Oh wow, that's why I'm really hungry. So I'm gonna get down and start getting some lunch together. This is why I bring a milk crate. For my heater and for my table. Alright, let's see what's for dinner. Lunch today. Lunch. What do we got packed in here? We got some rice. Tortillas. Oh. Last time's catch. Work that right up. You want some stuff? Fish is in there now, guys. Take a close look at that. Tortilla's done. Fish is in there. All right, so now let's throw Ben's original rice in there. Needs a little bit of oil though. Don't want to get too sticky. All right, there we go. Making Uncle Ben's rice on the ice. Fish on! Yeah, baby! There we go. Right on the mile, guys. Right there. You stay at it and you'll catch them. There we go, guys. Right on the spoon. When it lets you down, use spoon, guys. They'll come right in every single time. Look at that, baby. Not too bad. That's a perfect hook. Let this one go right away. Just let it go. Oh. Okay, it's swimming. It swam. Alright guys, I'm still jigging here. It's 4 o'clock now. I fished all day. Is it 4 o'clock? It's 4:20 now. I fished all day. You know what time it is? It's breakdown time. I have work tomorrow. So, like, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.